Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen.
Adapted for the stage by Simon & Simon.
Any similarities to the actual book are purely coincidental.
All characters portrayed are fictional, and any resemblance to anyone in this room is purely coincidental and unintended. Names have been changed to protect the innocent.
May we use our name tags?
Are the judges ready?
And the timer.
Alrighty, let's begin. Scene 1. Who?
Dad, can we talk about a few things?
Well, sure, son.
Well, first off, I decided to not play baseball this year.
What? Not play baseball? Ben, you know that's one of the few places you get socialized. Well, you are about ready to graduate. You probably need to work on your grades, but we do have to find some other manly craft and people to socialize with. You know, might take up hunting, woodworking. I'm not sure fishing is quite a manly sport.
Well, actually, I was hoping to join the speech and debate club. I was hoping I could debate. What I was really hoping is I want to play Alice in Wonderland and dance around the stage in a little girl's voice with a British accent.
Debate could be manly. What would you debate about?
Oh, idealism and pragmatism.
What would be required of me?
Well, first off, you'll have to buy me a suit or two. Next, you'll have to take several weeks off to travel the country and judge till your mind goes completely numb. Secondly, you'll spend loads of time with a bunch of artsy, nerdy high school students who probably don't know which end of the baseball bat to hold or which direction is first base. Finally, when the tournament comes to Montgomery, you'll have to announce your friend ad nauseum to judge, so that in essence, you'll lose all your meaningful relationships.
But Alice? Couldn't you choose someone other than Alice?
What follows is a brief biography of our experience in speech and debate.